Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be PR unboxing video. I know you love watching these videos because I do, and I really wanted to share with you everything that I've got currently. I received so many different PR packages, makeup and one skincare product, and I really wanted to show you everything which I received currently. There is so many new packages are coming, and I'm going to keep them and show you in these PR unboxing videos because I really enjoy making these videos. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first PR package is from Pixie, and they sent me their liquid eyeshadow, which is like glittery eyeshadow. I'm wearing one of the shades on my eyelids today. I'm wearing the shade Rose Gold, this one, and they're very beautiful. They're very easy to use. It takes only like 1 minute to apply the eyeshadow, and it looks amazing. They can make every look like a little bit special. They're really amazing. These eyeshadows retails for $14 and you get a lot of product. You just need only one only one swipe, let's say, because it's really pigmented. It's giving you like color and glitter, which is amazing. I really love these liquid eyeshadows. I mean, they're very easy to use. When you want to apply glitter, you use glitter glue and the glitter is going everywhere, and it takes a lot of time to be precise with the loose glitter. And with product like this, everything is so much easier, and there is no fallout, there is no glitter everywhere. It's very beautiful, it's very clean, and I really love this product. And I love everything from Pixie, and their packaging is very cute. This is how they look. You can see this is how they look. You're going to see me using this product a lot because they are amazing and they make every makeup look so much better, and I really love this product, and I'm recommending you to buy these products if you want something like this instead of buying glitter. But you can buy whatever you want exactly, but I'm recommending you this one because these are amazing. Okay, also I received different products from Profusion Cosmetics, and they're a drugstore brand, they're a new brand, and they're very affordable, and the quality, I'm impressed. The first product they sent me is their siennas eyeshadow palette. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. I used this eyeshadow palette already 2 times in different makeup tutorials, and it looks amazing. I'm wearing only one shadow from this palette today on my eyes, and it looks amazing. It's very easy to work with, and the eyeshadow palette is only $10, and you get amazing brush. By the way, you can see this brush is very good. I used the brush with the eyeshadow today, and for $10 you get so many shades, and all of them are really useful shades, let's say everyday shades. You can find a shade you can create something simple, and you can find shade you can create something a little bit bold and a little bit special for holidays or just event or something like that. And I really like this palette, and this is only $10, guys, so I recommend you to try this product. You can buy Profusion products from Target, and I really like this eyeshadow palette. Also, they sent me their contour palette. This is a contour and glow palette. You have contouring shade, you have this banana shade for setting your under eyes, you have contouring shades, you have highlighters, and you have amazing brush which you can use actually because it's amazing. This retails for $10 as well, and I recommend this palette. I like it, and you have so much products for $10, and I think this is amazing. Also, they sent me their eyebrow kit. They have eyebrow products. They have eyebrow powder with eyebrow wax and highlighting shade. Also there is like eyebrow pencil, there is tweezer, and for like $7 this is amazing. And oh, also they have the eyebrow gel with this. I used the eyebrow gel in my previous video, and if I be honest, I don't like the eyebrow gel because it's taking off the product on from your eyebrows, and I don't like the eyebrow gel, but I like that you are getting a lot of products for $7, and that's amazing. This is the eyebrow gel, which I don't like, and I don't recommend this eyebrow gel because it's not good, but for the entire kit you pay only $7, and the eyebrow pencil and this eyebrow palette, you're getting a lot of products. Also, I received their lip kits. These lip kits are including liquid lipstick, lip liner, and lip gloss. I really like that you are getting 3 products for $5, and I think that's amazing. This lip kit is in the shade Secret. I really like this product. Also, they sent me their lip kit in the shade Dream, which is the lipstick I was wearing in one of my videos. You already have seen this in my videos. I really like these shades. This is what I'm wearing today. This is the lip liner I used today, and this is the lip gloss on top of the lip liner. Also, I used a little bit Milani lipstick, and I used this lip gloss on top, and this is how it looks like. It's very like beautiful everyday shade, and they smell amazing, and the quality is really good. The lip liner is amazing and very creamy and very easy to apply. The liquid lipstick is very comfortable. I used that in one of my previous videos. And the lip gloss is not sticky, and it's very comfortable. I really like it. And this lip kit is only $5, so you can try it. I really like it. Okay guys, the next PR package is again from Pixi. They sent me their creamy, beautiful eyeliners, and also they sent me 2 waterproof eyeliners. They sent me mascara primer and a mascara, which I used in my previous video, and let me show you all the products. This is their very creamy and silky eyeliners. I used one of these eyeliners today all over my eyelid and also on my lower lash line, and it looked like amazing only itself, but on top I used the liquid eyeshadow, which I already showed you, and it is in the same in the shade rose gold. And this eyeliner, which I used under the liquid eyeshadow, is in the shade rose gold. They look stunning. It's very easy to apply, it's very creamy, and it's really long wearing. And you know, Pixie is a drugstore brand, and it's a little bit pricey than the other like drugstore products, but it's really amazing because you are paying for a good quality products. And I really enjoyed this product today, and I recommend all of these shades because they are really amazing and I like them. I like it. And you can see this is how they look like. And these are the 2 eyeliners for the waterline. They're like this one is like a black eyeliner for your waterline, and this one is a nude eyeliner. And this one is a nude eyeliner, which I already used on my waterline in one of my videos, and I really like it. It's waterproof, but if I be honest, they're really hard to apply. This is the only like issue with this eyeliner, but they're really good, and they are long lasting and waterproof, and I really like them. And yes, also this is the mascara primer, and this is the mascara which I already used in my previous video, and let me tell you, I'm really impressed with this mascara. Okay, this was one of the best mascaras I've tried ever. It curled my eyelashes without using eyelash curler, and it was amazing. I'm really impressed how it worked, and it did amazing job on my eyelashes. And like, it's really one of the best mascaras I've used ever. I really like this mascara, but the only issue is like removing the mascara, because it's waterproof, and you know, removing waterproof mascara is really hard, and it can be really irritating for your eyes. And that's the only issue with this mascara, but I really like it. Okay, the next package is from Pixie. They sent me their duo highlighters. They sent me 2 shades. Let me show you the products. They sent me these 2 shades. You have seen already this highlighter in my previous videos, and this is what I am wearing today. My favorite is this in the shade Delicate Dew. You can pick which shade is like, you can choose which shade is better for your skin tone, but for me this is amazing. This is one of the best highlighters I've ever used, and this is amazing. This is amazing. The formula is amazing. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's really intense, and if you like natural highlighters or natural like glow, probably you're not going to like this product. But if you like bold highlighters, if you like very like intense highlighters like this, because I like intense highlighters, you will love this product. I love it. I enjoy this product so much. I love this product so much. I think I'm going to use this highlighter for like in my every videos, because this is my current favorite, and it's amazing. There is no fallout. It's very like creamy, but in the same time it's not emphasizing any imperfections. It looks amazing, and I really recommend you to buy this product. Try this product. This is amazing. This is so worth it. For like $14, this is amazing highlighter, and you get 2 shades. I use this on my inner corners, I use this on my brow bones, I use this on my cheekbones today, I use this like everywhere. I use this highlighter today, and I am really loving this highlighter. This is amazing. Okay, also I received these brushes from Real Techniques. They sent me this eyeshadow set. You have this amazing brush which you can use also for applying your concealer, but I use this to blend my eyeshadows. And you have this one which is a little bit shorter. I use this for my lower lash line. You have eyeliner brush, you have blending brush which I used in my previous video, and you have this brush for your eyelashes. I love the blending brush, and it's really amazing, and the quality of these brushes are amazing. If you want affordable brushes, good quality brushes, you should try these brushes, because you pay $20 for 5 brushes. They're really amazing, they're affordable. I use their brushes like foundation brush, setting brush for applying the highlighter. I love it. Their setting brush is my favorite. I love how you can apply your highlighter very precisely. It's very precise. You can like control where you like apply the highlighter, and it's amazing. I love Real Technique products, and I highly recommend this eye brushes. I like it. Okay, the next package is from Gerard Cosmetics. They sent me their liquid lipstick in the shade 1995 and their lip gloss in the shade Nude. I really like how pigmented are their lipsticks, and I still didn't try the lip gloss, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing. I really like the packaging. They look very luxurious, and I really like their products, and thank you for this package. Okay, the next product is a skincare product. This is the Laneige water slipping mask. I wanted to try this product for like already 2 years because I've heard only amazing things about this product, and I really wanted to try this product, and thank you Laneige for sending me this product. I really enjoy this product. I already tried this a few days ago, and it's really amazing. I like it's like very lightweight. It smells amazing, and it's a like overnight mask. I really like how it helps with the redness, with the hyperpigmentation. It really does minimize my pores. Also, I noticed a difference with the wrinkles. It really helps. It really helps with the wrinkles. My skin is a little bit dry currently, probably because of the weather, and it really does moisturize, and it really does moisturize your skin, and your skin is glowing on the next morning. And I really like this product, and this is amazing. This is $25. You can buy this at Sephora, and this is a Korean brand, and you get a lot of product. I really like it, and I really enjoy this product. You should try this product because this is amazing. Okay guys, the next package is from one of my favorite brands. It's from Becca Cosmetics. They sent me 4 products. This is the first product. They sent me their First Light Primer, which is a moisturizing and illuminating primer, and I'm so excited to try this product. Also, they sent me their color correcting product. You can see this is in the shade light medium. This product is really amazing. I already have seen so many times other people were using this product, and they said it's really amazing, and I'm so excited to try this product. This is a full-size product, and this is a traveling size product. And also they sent me this amazing highlighter. You can see this is the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. This highlighter is one of my favorite highlighters. The formula is very different. It's almost like a cream highlighter, but it's a powder highlighter, and it looks amazing on your skin. It makes your skin to look wet and very glowy, very soft. You can create like everyday glowy beautiful look, and you can create very bold look using this highlighter. It looks amazing on every like skin type, and this is one of my favorite highlighters. And this is the traveling size, but I really like this highlighter. This is a kit which is including 4 products. 2 of them are traveling size, and 2 of them are full-size products. And also they sent me their lip gloss in the shade Opal. It's a very beautiful, luxurious lip gloss. It feels amazing. It's not sticky. It's very comfortable, and it's beautiful nude pinky shades. It's beautiful nude pinky, creamy beige shade, let's say. The color is very creamy, very wearable, very like everyday shade. And I really liked it, and I really like this product. These are all the products included in the kit. You can you can buy them. They're like $59 for this 4 product, and I think this is a pretty good deal. You buy 4 products and you are paying only $59, and I think it is amazing. Okay guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. Also subscribe if you are not already. And I see you in my next video. Love you. See you next time. Bye.